put your back into it. Yeah. This shit is louder than I thought it was gonna be. I ain't gonna lie to you. Watch this shit. I ain't even gonna move my feet. Oh, the top feels so much better than the bottom. So much better. You can use a window shopper. Hey, that me. I didn't know why. Nigga use a window shopper. In the jewelry store, looking at shit you can't buy. Nigga use a window shopper. In the dealership, trying to get a test drive. Nigga use a window shopper. Man, it's fuck when you see me ride by. Summertime, white clothes coming in red smoky. I'm on the grind, let my paper stack, man, I'm filthy. Funny how niggas get the school facing at me. Anyhow, they ain't got the heart to get at me. I get down south side, the hood that I come from. So I don't cruise to nobody else without my gun. Know the kid ain't going for all that bullshit. Try to stick me, I'm a little for full clip. It ain't my fault, you done fucked up your re-up. At the dice game, who's on you for the G-up? Everybody mad when they pay for those stack right. But when I come around, y'all niggas better act right. And we got the tops down, you get the system gone. Nigga, when we rollin', since the lock down. Quick to put a hole in the show. Nigga, when we rollin', use a window shopper. Hey, that me, I think I know why. Nigga, use a window shopper. In the jewelry store, looking at shit you can't buy. Nigga, use a window shopper. In the dealership, trying to get a test drive. Nigga, use a window shopper. Man, it's fuck when you see me ride by. If I was your best friend, I want you around all the time. I want you around me all the time. Be your best friend. And you promise you'll be mine. Girl, promise you'll be mine. He said he's just a friend. Now, girl, let's not pretend. Either he is or he ain't too many. He said he's just a friend. If I was her, first we get to talking, then we get to touching. If we can pass the phone games, we'll be fucking. I just like the first to put my tongue in your head. Do it like the dogs pull a girl and pull on your head. For me, a different scenery just sits in different positions. In the tub on the sink, I improvise, now listen. In the chopper on the jet, join my hot club. I'm no fool, I know money can't buy me love. But I'm a different type of nigga to make sure that you know. Instead of a rose, here's 100 dozens of those. See, I see something special when I look in your eyes. Put your legs way back, I said this pussy is mine. If you ain't so when I'm talking, I don't tell you no lie. But these things that you say there, I be wondering why. When I don't say what I'm thinking, it don't mean that I'm shy. That on the shit that you put out for me, that's why I'm so fly. Your best friend, come on. I want you around all the time. I want you around me all the time. Be your best friend. And you promise you'll be mine. Girl, promise you'll be mine. He said he's just a friend. Now, girl, let's not pretend. Either he is or he ain't too many. He said he's just a friend. If I was your best friend, yeah. I just wanna chill and twist the luck. Gangsters in my 745. You drive me crazy, short, yeah. Need to see you feeling next to me. I provide everything you need, not like you smile that I won't see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask you now. Hope you can come out with it. Come on, girl. It's easy to love. Say what? Would you love me if I act? Would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I act? Would you still have love for me? Look at my brother off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still love me? If I got locked up, sent this to a quarter century, can I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back to a hooping from a bed, would you poof, disappear? Like some of my friends, if I was hitting out, certain you by my side. Groups trying to put work, but you be down the ride. I get out and kill a nigga, can't be chillin' drop. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rapping, I flip burgers to Burger King. Would you be the same? Tell your friends you feelin' me. In the bed, if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a little letter, would you write back? Then we can have a little trip, you know, a night trip. Then we can go through said, what? Would you love me if I was? And what? Would you still have love for me? Now would you leave me if you thought found out I was stuck? Do you believe me when I tell you you're the one love? Are you mad cause I'm asking you 21 questions? Are you my soulmate? If so, girl, you're blessed. Do you trust me enough to tell me your dreams? I'm staring at you trying to figure how you got no team. If I were down, would you say things to make me smile? I treat you how you want to be treated, you teach me how. If I was with some other chick and someone happened to see, don't you ask me about it, I said it wasn't me. Would you believe me or believe me? I keep us out born, if that's all it takes for you to be gone. We only humans, girl, we make mistakes. To make it up, I do whatever it takes. I love you like a fat king love cake. You know my style, I say anything to make you smile. Girl, it's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was? And would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was? And would you still have love? Would you love me in a Bentley? Would you love me on the bus? I asked 21 questions, and they all about us. Could you love me in a Bentley? Could you love me on the bus? I asked 21 questions, and they all about us. I got something for you now. I got something for you now.
Ice me out. Detroit, what's good? I like a nigga to ice me the fuck out.